This small box can charge your phone 3 times. But do you know what is really happening inside a power bank? Today, I will show you the real internal working with animation. Bow. Banks look simple, but inside them is a smart charging system with batteries, control boards, and protection circuits. In this video, you will see exactly how a power bank stores energy and safely delivers it to your phone. Inside every power bank, there are 4 main parts: lithium battery cells, charging controller board, boost converter circuit, and protection module. The lithium cells store electrical energy. The controller manages charging and discharging. The boost circuit increases voltage to stable 5 volts. The protection system prevents overheating and overcharging. When you connect a charger, electricity enters the control board. The controller slowly charges the lithium battery using safe current flow. If the battery temperature increases, the system automatically reduces charging speed to prevent damage. When you connect your phone, stored energy flows from battery cells into the boost converter. This circuit increases voltage to stable output. Your phone receives controlled power, which protects its battery health. Power banks get hot because of energy loss inside circuits. Cheap power banks use low-quality chips and thin wires. This creates resistance and heat. High temperature reduces battery life and charging efficiency. The most common problems are fast draining, slow charging, and sudden shutdown. These happen due to old battery cells, damaged control boards, and overcharging habits. Always use original adapters. Do not charge overnight. Store power banks between 20% to 80% charge for longer life. If you like real inside animations and tech repair knowledge, subscribe to Easy Solutions and turn on notifications.